Hey everybody, we're here in Salt Lake City. Thought I'd come down here and do some train watching. We're on 600 West Street, and I don't know what this cross street is, but let's see what we see today. Well, I heard a train horn, and I see that we've got a train going somewhere over there. Appears to be going eastward. Okay, this is where we're located right now. It would appear that this is a southern route going off the east-west main line. When we pulled up here, there was a train sitting here, had the intersection blocked for about 15 minutes. But we'll try and see what we see here. Okay, gang, it looks like we have a mixed freight coming. I'm going to move back a little bit so I can see the train better. It looks like that little train is heading west. Currently headed north, and then it's turning and going west. Looks like we have a Utah Transit train coming on their track, not on the UP track. I don't know if they're going to stop for anybody at the stop there or not. Okay, they did stop, and now they're underway again, taking it slow until the gates come back down. And off they go. They are headed east. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes and we have another Utah Transit Authority train coming back. Or the same train coming back, I do not know. I'd have to look at the video. I didn't pay attention to the road number. Okay, everybody, we've been here for about an hour and a half. Seen a few trains. Robin is sitting right back there in the rental car. And I think we're going to head out and see if we can find some lunch.